Does Costco take EBT? Yes, Costco accepts EBT cards, electronic benefit transfer, for eligible purchases at all of its warehouse locations in the United States. Below is a detailed guide on using EBT at Costco, including what you can buy, where you can use it, and any restrictions. 1. Does Costco accept EBT cards? Yes, Costco accepts EBT cards for in-store purchases of eligible food items at all U.S. warehouse locations. 2. Can you use EBT at Costco Online? No, Costco does not accept EBT for online purchases at Costco.com or through the Costco app. EBT is only accepted for in-store transactions. 3. What can you buy at Costco with EBT? You can use EBT to buy items that are approved under the SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, including fruits and vegetables, meat, poultry, and fish, dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, bread, and cereals, snack foods, chips, cookies, etc., non-alcoholic beverages, juice, soda, water, seeds, and plants that produce food for the household. 4. What can't you buy at Costco with EBT? EBT cannot be used to purchase alcoholic beverages, beer, wine, liquor, tobacco products, cigarettes, cigars, vitamins, supplements, and medicines, items with a supplement facts label, hot or prepared foods, such as Costco's food court items like pizza or hot dogs, non-food items, toiletries, cleaning supplies, electronics, clothing. 5. How to use EBT at Costco. Shop in-store at any Costco warehouse. At checkout, swipe your EBT card through the card reader. Enter your PIN to complete the transaction. Split payment if necessary. You can pay for non-EBT eligible items separately using cash, debit, credit, or other accepted payment methods. 6. Does Costco require membership to use EBT? Yes, you need a Costco membership to shop at Costco, including when using an EBT card. Costco memberships start at $60 annually for the Gold Star membership. 7. Can you use EBT for Costco Delivery? No, EBT is not accepted for Costco Online orders, same-day grocery delivery through Instacart 2-day delivery services. 8. Which states allow EBT use at Costco? Costco accepts EBT in all states where Costco warehouses are located, including California, New York, Texas, Florida, and many others. Costco accepts EBT cards for in-store purchases of eligible food items, but not for online orders or delivery. A Costco membership is required to shop, and EBT can only be used for approved food products under SNAP guidelines.